Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to new lesson. Today we will learn lesson 9 or Dai Kyuka. In this lesson we will learn noun ga arimasu, wakarimasu, noun ga suki, kirai, heta, joju desu, yoku, daitai, sukoshi, takusan, amari, genjen, S1 kara, S2 uses of kara, donna noun, dosite or naji. Before we learn grammar, please go through the vocabulary. It will easy to understand the lesson. Wakarimasu, arimasu, suki, kirai, heta, joju. Suki, kirai, heta, joju all are na adjective. Ryori, nomimono, suppose, yakyu, dansu. Okay. Ongaku, utta, kurasiku, jazz, concerto, karaoke, kabuki, ji, kanji, romaji, komakai okane. Chiketto, jikan, yoji, yakusuku, gosyujin, otto, okusan, chuma or kanai, kodomo, yoku, daitai, sukoshi. Genjin, hayai, kara, doshite, naji. Jannen desu ne, sumimasen, moshi moshi. Issho ni ikaga desu ka wa chotto. Dame desu ka? Mata kondo onegai shimasu. Let's learn grammar. Noun ga arimasu and wakarimasu. We learn in lesson 6 when a transitive verb comes, object before the transitive verb takes O particle. But in this lesson we will learn when the verbs arimasu and wakarimasu comes, the object before the arimasu and wakarimasu takes ga particle. Okay. We here get it. Noun ga arimasu or wakarimasu. The object of transitive verb marked with O particle. However, objects of the verbs arimasu and wakarimasu are marked with ga particle. Look at the sentence. Naoko-san wa kuruma ga arimasu. Mira-san wa nihongo ga wakarimasu. Watashi wa yakusoku ga arimasu. Here, kuruma, nihongo, yakusoku takes ga particle. Okay. Arimasu means possess, have something, and wakarimasu means understand. Watashi wa doichi go ga wakarimasu. I understand German language. Okay. Like this way, pause the video and make 2 or 3 sentences with ga particle and arimasu and wakarimasu verb. Tataiwa, watashi wa hon ga arimasu. Next, noun ga suki, kirai, heta, joju desu. Suki means like, kirai dislike, heta bad at, joju good at. Such adjectives as suki, kirai, heta, joju requires objective. And those objectives takes ga particle. When we say I like something, suppose I say I like dansu. Watashi wa dansu ga suki desu. Look at the sentence, you understand better. Watashi wa indo ryori ga suki desu. Indo ryori. Okay, I like Indian dish. Watashi wa karai tabemono ga kirai desu. Karai tabemono, spice food. Kirai, not like. Taapon-san wa dansu ga heta desu. Mr. Taapon is bad at dance. Kimura-san wa ongaku ga joju desu. Ongaku. So, Miss Kimura good at music. So, Indoriori, Karai Tapemono, Dansu, Ongaku, all are nouns comes before Suki, Kirai, Hetta, Jojo. So, they takes ga particle after them. Is that clear? When Suki, Kirai, Hetta, Jojo comes, noun before them takes ga particle. Please pause the video and write 2 or 3 sentences using Suki, Kirai, Hetta, Jojo. Next, now we learn degree, adverb affirmative, adverb negative, amount, adverb affirmative, adverb negative. We learn arimas and wakarimas in this lesson. Arimas is possessive, okay, and wakarimas is understanding. So arimas will go with amount and wakarimas will go with degree. Adverb affirmative, yoku wakarimasu. It is low to high. So yoku wakarimasu. Well, understanding is there. Daitai wakarimasu. So. Sukoshi wakarimasu. Little. In negative, amari wakarimasen, jen wakarimasen. Amount, large to small. Takusan arimasu. Have lot of things. Sukoshi arimasu. Have few or little. Amari arimasen, jen arimasen. Okay. Next, yoku, daitai, sukoshi, takusan, amari, jen. These adverbs are put before verbs to modify them. Please look at the sentence. Nihongo ga yoku wakarimasu. Nihongo ga sukoshi wakarimasu. Nihongo ga amari wakarimasen. Hon ga takusan arimasu. Okhane ga amari arimasen.
Hope you understand the uses of adverb yoku, daitai, sukoshi, takusan, amari, jen. When they modify the verbs. Yoku wakarimasu, it means understand very well. Daitai wakarimasu, it means understand almost. Sukoshi wakarimasu, it means understand a little. Amari wakarimasen, it means don't understand. Jen wakarimasen, it means understand not at all. Similarly, takusan arimasu, it means have lot of. Sukoshi arimasu, it means have few or little. Amari arimasen, it means don't have. And jen arimasen, it means have nothing.
Note, sukoshi and jen can also modify adjective. Okay. Kokowa sukoshi samuites. Ano eika wa jen omoshiro kunaites. Okay. So hope you understand the uses of yoku, daitai, sukoshi, takusan, amari, jen. Okay. One thing you should remember, yoku, sukoshi, amari, takusan always comes before the verb, just before the verb. Okay. How you make the sentence? Noun, particle, ga, yoku, adverb, whatever may be, then verb. In this case, you can say yoku, sukoshi, amari, takusan. Please pause the video and make 2 or 3 sentences. Next, X1, Kara, S2.
Kara connects two sentences
with relation of cause or reason, where S1 is the reason for S2. Okay. Look at the sentence. Jikan ga arimasen kara asagohan no tabemasen. Yoji ga arimasu kara hayaku kaerimasu. Ashita yakusoku ga arimasu kara doko mo
ikimasen.
Here S1 jikan ga arimasen. This is reason. Asagoha no tabemasen. As I don't have time, so I don't eat breakfast. Yoji ga arimasu. This is the reason. Hayaku kaerimasu. As I have some work to do, I will return early. Ashita yakusoku ga arimasu. Tomorrow I have an appointment. So, dokomo ikimasen. I don't go anywhere. Ashita yakusoku ga arimasu. This is the reason. So, I don't go anywhere. Hope you understand how to use kara in between two sentences when sentence 1 is the reason for sentence 2. My dear friends, kara also comes in end of a sentence when you explain reason in the end. Now we will learn question form dosite or naje, meaning is why. Dosite osake o nomimasen ka? Amari sukija arimasen kara. Hope you understand uses of kara and question form dosite. Please pause the video and write 1 or 2 sentences. Come to next. Exercise. In every lesson you get some exercise, so it will enhance your knowledge. Kakko no naka ni tekito na kotoba o irenasai. Fill the blanks with appropriate words. Here I have given some words: genjen, totemo, takusan, itsumo, suki. Question number 1. I done it. Nichiobi wa itsumo tennis o shimasu. 2番から5番まで Please do. Please do from 2 to number 2 to number 5. Please pause the video and do it. Check with my answer. Here. Watashi wa furansugo ga, as it is wakarimasen, so here genjen only word which can use in the negative sentence. So genjen. Watashi wa furansugo ga genjen wakarimasen. Here you find arimasu. Taro-kun wa hon ga arimasu. So here Ichimo always already gone, genjen also gone, takusan, totemo, takusan, suki. So totemo arimasu cannot be done, so takusan arimasu. Next, kono keki wa totemo oishii desu. Watashi wa kudamono ga suki desu. Okay, next. Here also put appropriate interrogative words. You know WH questions. So please do it. Pause the video and do it by yourself. Then check with my answer. Question number 1. Karina-san wa donna supochu ga suki desu ka? Sakka ga suki desu. Doshite ano mise de kaimasu ka? Yasui desu kara. As ending is the kara, reason explained, so here doshite will go. Dance wa do desu ka? Omoshiroi desu. Santosu-san no kaban wa dore desu ka? Are desu. Next, again exercise for you. Put appropriate particle in the blanks. Example is given. Juice wo nomimasu. Please pause the video and do by yourself. Then check with the answer. Question number 1. Isan wa ongaku ga joju desu. Ga. Because joju, suki, heta, kirai. We learn in this lesson that when noun comes before them, they take ga particle. Watashi wa taigo ga wakarimasen. You know arimasu and wakarimasu. If a object comes before the arimasu or wakarimasu, that object takes ga particle. So, taigo ga. Next, asatte yoji ga arimasu kara dokomo ikimasen. So, as it is reason of this, so it takes kara. Gechiyobi wa kajoku to umi e ni ikimasu. Okay. Gechiobia kajokuto with family umi. A also correct, ni also correct. Ikimasu. Utaga heta desu kara. Karaoke ga kirai desu. Utaga heta desu kara. It is written, and you know before heta, if noun comes, noun takes ga particle, so it takes ga. Karaoke ga kirai desu. Next, donna sukochu ga suki desu. Okay. Hope you understand. Next.
Put appropriate word in blanks. One example sentence given over here.
Jikan ga arimasen kara shinbumo yomimasen. Kara rigid. So as I don't have time, I don't read the newspaper.
Please pause the video and fill the blanks with appropriate words from the bracket.
Then check with the answers. Tennisu ga suki desu kara maishiu shimasu. Samui desu kara achui kohio nomimasu. Okane ga arimasen kara nanimo kaimasen. Ashita wa nichyobi desu kara gakkou wa yasumi desu. Colors. Here I have given some color name and test. So please read it. Midori green, Murasaki purple, Kiroi yellow, Chairoi brown, pink orange color, gray. Aji the taste of food. Amai sweet, Karai hot, Nigai bitter, Shiokarai salty, Suppai sour, Koi thick strong, Usui thin or weak taste. Here some words are given like adverbs: yoku, totemo, takusan, amari, genjen, sukoshi, daitai. Okay. Here I have given arimasu, arimasen, wakarimasu, wakarimasen, joju arimasen, joju desu.
Please fill the appropriate word in the bracket.
You do it by yourself because you already learn in positive and negative which word should come. Please pause the video and do it. Next.
Here some double-edged questions are given.
Donna, do, dore, dosite, doko, donata, itsu, ikura, oikuchu. Okay. Pause the video. Do it. After that, you check with the answer. Please do it now. Anokata wa donata desu ka? Isan desu. Answer is isan, so donata. Wansan wa donna hito desu ka? Shinseichu na hito desu. Answer is yasui desu kara. So question will be doshite. Doshite anomimise kaimasu ka? Yasui desu kara. Kore wa doko no kuruma desu ka? Doichu no kuruma desu. Minasan no kasa wa dore desu ka? Shiroi kasa desu. Donna nomimono ga suki desu ka? Kocha ga suki desu. Okay. Hope you understand. Continuing that exercise, question number 7 to 12. Okay. Please pause the video and do it. Then check with the answer. Kaisa wa dochira desu ka? Tokyo computer desu. Oshigoto wa do desu ka? Omoshiroi desu. Gupta-san wa oikuchu desu ka? 34 歳です。いつ京都へ行きますか？来週の土曜日行きます。すみません。このワインはいくらですか？ 2300 円です。Okay? どうして肉を食べませんか？あまり好きじゃありませんから。again. Hope you understand. Next is kanji. Meaning of the kanji 10,000 all, every, no kunyomi. Onyomi is man and ban. Ichiman 10,000, Ban Koko, all countries. The meaning of this kanji: N, circle, no kunyomi, onyomi N, N, circle, hyaku N, 100 N. Okay. Next kanji, meaning of this kanji is year: kunyomi toshi, onyomi nen. Toshi, a year and age. Yonen, 4 years. Next, meaning of this kanji is above, on, of, superior. Kunyomi ue, agaru, ageru, noboru, onyomi jo. Ue, above and on. Toshi ue, elder. My dear friend, please learn kanji along with the lesson. It will help you more. Without kanji, Japanese language is meaningless. I think you get knowledge from this lesson. If you are watching this video in YouTube, please click the subscribe button and share with your friends if you think they will get benefit from this knowledge. Let's meet in next class with new lesson, new vocabulary, new grammar and new sentence format. Okay, and some more new kanji. Till that time, stay safe, stay healthy. Sayonara. Goodbye.